Hello trader. As NFP coming later today, we see that gold currently showing significant bullish momentum. With the news coming up, we might see that gold giving us significant trading opportunity. So before we discuss how we can find trading opportunity with the upcoming news, let's first look at the bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame on gold to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that gold is a long-term bullish market. This monthly candle just has closed with a huge bullish engulfer. Now if we look at the low of this monthly support on gold, we can see that the price here created a higher low in that area. So with that higher low, gold has formed this giant bullish engulfer. As this is a long-term bullish market, the market has formed a higher low. We could see a higher high formation. So there is an imbalance in that zone on the market, and we could see that the price this month also pushing high to create a new higher high, and there is an all-time high in that zone. We can see that at 2082 level, and we can expect gold slowly to go ahead and fill that imbalance. Now looking at weekly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the weekly we see that so far back to back 3 weeks of bullish move, gold has formed a huge impulse. Previous week we saw a candle that has a long wick at the bottom. As expected in our weekly forex forecast, gold has formed a long wick candle that has tested the lower part of this candle around 50%. We saw that retest, and from that level we see gold again bouncing of this level. Now as it is a long-term bullish market, today is the last day of trading week, we see that gold is still maintaining bullish market structure, and we can expect the price to remain bullish for long term. Now looking at daily time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the daily we can see that the market is maintaining typical bullish market structure. We can see that this market showing a very predictable pattern. We see there is a bullish impulse, very narrow correction. There has been another impulse, a bit longer correction, and we saw that the correction is getting longer and longer. So this is a pattern that we can follow on gold, where every time the price is getting a bit bigger and bigger in correction. So as this is happening, we could see that gold ultimately forming a double top in that zone, and we can expect a break of swing low for longer term for this move to the upside, as it needs momentum from any of this liquidity zone. So with that being said, what I think that gold highly likely we could see a bounce to the upside to this liquidity zone, and from that zone we can expect it to come back to the liquidity zone again. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect gold now to break to the upside to this liquidity zone. Now looking at 4 hour time frame to see how the market is doing, we saw that there is a long wick candle here. The price has gone back up again. There is another long wick candle. The market is still maintaining a bullish market structure in that zone, with a series of higher low with a long wick candles. Now this current session candle, we saw that the price initially has come down again, manipulated multiple times in this zone on the lower time frame, forming another bullish candle. So let's see a very lower time frame to see where we can find our entry opportunity as NFP coming. What I think that, as you can see, the market here also maintaining this trend line, this support, and we'll be waiting for a break from this support. And what I think that at some point we can expect a break of this support. If we look at the daily support to see where we can match that level, this is the daily today's opening and closing along with this daily low. And if we look at the 15 minutes with that respect, we can expect for the price to come down to break this liquidity zone. This is the today's low, and this is the daily opening and closing. And what I think that NFP might make the price to come back down to this level where there is a high liquidity zone, and also a Fiji fair value gap here. There is a smart money zone in that area, and this is the liquidity zone. This is where I will be waiting for a breakdown on gold once we see the market has given a suitable entry. And I think that with the news coming up, we could see that break towards the downside. As you can see, the market is maintaining series of lower high, and we could see a break from this lower high. You see that lower high, and maintaining that a break of this structure. And once we see the price action confirmation, we can look for bullish trading opportunity based on the current time price action confirmation, guys. If you find value in this analysis, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.